What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing football along with Shari and Atharv. Shari basically is the short form for Sharia. Let's see.
So today, guys, we are going to be having a knock-off shot power challenge between me and Naman with a goalie. You can see. So we're going to be having a first to 5 points match is going to win.
So guys, we're going to decide it by doing rock, paper, scissors, okay? It's a best of 3. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win! Okay, fine.
This is not scripted, okay?
Yeah, it's not scripted. Okay, I'm taking the shot first. Let's see what happens.
Okay, guys, you can see Naman's going first. There's the goalpost and the goalkeeper. Let's see Naman. He's rusty, alright? Don't flame us in the chats. Did that go in? Oh, that's W.
So guys, there's Sharia taking his turn. Let's see what happens. Oh, what a goal that is, man. That is superb.
So the score is 1-1 and Atharv is not able to block all of these Sasta shots. So let's see what Naman's going to do. You can see Naman's lined up for the shot.
Guys, I'm a goalkeeper, a good goalkeeper. I just rusty, okay? I'm very bad.
Okay, Naman's just warming up so you can see him twerking or something. Let's see. Oh, blocked and denied. If I score this goal, I will get a point.
So guys, Shuri is shooting again. It's currently 1-1. If he scores, he makes a tiebreaker. Let's see. Fine, he removes the equalizer. Let's see. Shuri with his power. Oh, he saved it!
Still a tie.
Oh my god, it's still a tie. Oh my god. It's not with me. But that was actually a pretty good shot.
I told you guys, I was just rusty.
Okay, let's go to the next shot.
You can see Naman lining up for his shot, putting the ball in place. Atharv, clap to show you're ready. You can see he's ready. Let's see. What is Naman doing, bro? Lining up for the superb shot. Oh, long run up. Oh, just missed.
Shoot!
So this means if I score again, I can get a point.
Yeah, now.
Okay, guys, you can see that Atharv quite a challenge. Not bad.
Yeah, let's see about Shuri. He can remove the equalizer. Yes, saved it again! Oh my god! He don't have to break. God, none of us are actually able to break the equalizer. This is not good. If we don't miss, this is our last chance. If we both miss, we will end up in a draw. So let's see what happens next.
Guys, hopefully Naman misses because I found a secret strategy to beat Atharv. I found how he keeps, okay? Naman lining up for the shot. He missed, guys. Let's go. Jess is so close.
What's up? Sharia's back with his shot. This is the only moment to remove the tie. Let's see if Atharv saves it or Sharia with his power shots. Yes, saved it again!
It didn't work.
Okay, as a result, I'm going to make a tiebreaker. This last chance for both of us. If both of us do not make it, we're actually only going to have it in a draw.
We are going to be going into sudden death if we both have a draw still.
I know that, man. Let's see what's the next shot.
So guys, if you saw, my strategy didn't work, so I'm going to start crying. Alright, Naman's lining up for the shot. Let's see if he can make it. Oh, it went in! It went in! Naman got an advantage because of the ledge.
Physics helped! Physics helped! Let's go!
Oh my god.
Now we have Shuri for the next shot. Let's see what he does. If he manages to score, it's again equalized. Let's see. This is getting really tense.
Guys, if I make this in, it's going to be going up to free kicks, not penalties anymore.
I know that, bro. Let's see who does it. Let's go. Let's see, Shuri. It's a bit closer, but let's see.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, he left it. Oh no.
It's going
Oh
to
my god. Oh my god. That was actually.
It's going
really
to go
hard.
to free kicks.
It's called a free kicks. Let's see what happens now.
So guys, this is the free kick area. We're going to be able to roll the ball in front and then shoot it from here into the goal.
Okay,
let's see if anyone of us can do this. So guys, you can see Naman lining up for the shot. He has to roll the ball in front and then blast. Ooh, that was so close. Yes, miss.
As you can see, we have Shuri right over here. Let's see if he can score.
Finally, guys, we are on normal concrete, so my shoes can actually grip onto the.
That's funny. Let's see. He saved it! Oh my god. Actually dramatic. He actually saved it. Let's see. It's another equalizer. Let's see.
Alright, guys, this is getting intense. Let's see if Naman can make it. Rolled it. Ooh, just on the corner. Let's see if I can make it.
Okay, we have Shuri. Let's see what he can do.
Oh my!
What a superb shot! But Athar just moved his hands and saved it. Let's see who wins.
Alright, guys, we're switching sides. Naman's gonna be rolling it in front, then pushing it. Alright. Okay. Or Kala. He missed. Alright, guys, you can see the turf is like messed up here. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to shoot from here.
Chill, bro. You just have to tap it. Let's see. He's tapping in front. Oh, shoot! That missed. Oh, it's okay. Good try, Shaurya.
Leg sprain.
Oh no, bro. I also got a leg sprain. Okay, fine. Oh my god. Okay, it's so intense. I don't know how we both are missing. I think it's because we both are so tense. Okay, fine. Let's see next one if I score or not.
Alright, guys, we can see Naman lining up on the horrible turf. Roll it. Chapow. Oh, nice shot. It got declined by Athav. Alright, guys, let me try. Hopefully my leg sprain won't stop me.
What a shot! What a shot that is! That is a pro shot! Oh my god! Okay, that is actually way too good, honestly, bro. He shot the ball at like 2 times at the height, man.
I should have saved that, guys.
Let's see if
I
Naman
will
makes
say
it.
that.
Otherwise, we're going to end the video here and say I won.
True. I'm not saying I won. He said I won. Find out. Let's see who wins.
Alright, guys, as you can see, I made the shot. Now let's see if Naman can. Okay. Alright. He's raging, bro. But will that work? No! He rage blinded him. One guy, let's go!
Oh my god, bro. At least I got second.
Now one screwed up, guys.
Okay.
Okay, at least I scored 2.
Comment down below who's better at football, me or
Hello.
Naman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos daily like this.
And put your bell on so you can get our notifications.
More like ball. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, see you next time. I'm telling you the live stream is today at 6 p.m. Okay?
Peace
Bye.
from Naman, Shaurya and Athav.
Athar right there. Bye, dude. Bye, bro.